Once you've found a book that you want on IUCAT, the quickest way to get it is to go find it in the stacks. First, click on the title of the item you want in the IUCAT results page. This will take you to the item record. Scroll down to the Holdings section and find the call number and the floor where the item is located. If there are multiple libraries listed in this section, make sure that you are looking at the South Bend entry. Jot down the call number on a piece of paper or on your phone, and go to the floor indicated in the record. When you get to the floor, you'll see signs indicating ranges of letters. These will tell you which side of the floor your item is on. Because MT falls between JK and N alphabetically, this item will be on the side of the library that sign is pointing to. Items are arranged alphabetically and numerically, with ranges indicated on the stacks. This side of the stack contains all MT call numbers through MT883. MT85 comes before this, so our item will be on this side of the stack. The call number will be marked on the item. Once you have your item, go downstairs to the circulation desk and check it out.